Thutha wa gukorwo agethano nake kwa ihinda riu OCS wa ceceni ya borithi ya Central guku Nairobi Samson Talam ni arikitie guikio ngono ari mwena wa Eldoret county ya Uasin Gishu.
Deceased died in police custody within the jurisdiction of officers we know.
Ruhonge rwa uthuthuria DCI ni ruo rwikirite mukonde horo uyu na kuga ati akoretwo ahoretie thimu yake kuma muthenya wa ira riria aramenyire ati ni arethanwo nake na riu ni arikitie kuneanwo ruhonge-ini rwa IPOA.
We have arrested 2 police officers, and that is the OCS Central Police Station, CI Talam, and the D2 officer, the sentry guard, the person who was in charge of the cell.
The OCS Central Police Station is a person of responsibility, actually the highest ranking officer at the station level. And we've gotten, of course, the other officer and the civilian. We are not stopping there.
We expect to see more senior people taking responsibility. We expect to see people who are the masterminds of this heinous act that took the life of our brother taking responsibility.
Ginyagia riu andu atatu nio marikitie guikio ngono magikuruhanio na kuragwo kwa Albert Ojwang ari moko-ini ma borithi ona gutuika Talam niwe uronekana ari muikuiro munene thutha wa kugwetwo na njira nene ni andu aria marahungwo mahuri-ini ya IPOA.
We also arrested 1 civilian. This is a person who was called to come and dismantle the CCTV. So he's in custody. We are processing this person, and in due course he will appear before court.
Ihinda-ini ro riu IPOA yugite ati thiete rikitie uthuthuria wayo na kuga ati riu ni hotete gutwara chemist-ini ya thirikari thakame ya Ojwang niguo thuthurio na ningi ni mahotete kuona ibuku ria OB, register cia thero na mutambo wa CCTV na marageria kuruta mbica cia maria mahanikire Ojwang ari kuo mutambo-ini ucio.
It is clear that Mr. Ojwang died inside custody, the police station Central. Because of the evidence we have so far, he was killed inside the cell. Number 2 is that the CCTV system was located at the OCS office, and that is why someone was called to come and try to interfere with that CCTV.
The question of who was paid what, it is part of the evidence which we are preserving.
Who called him?
Of course, it was called from the police station.
IPOA iri na riboti iri heanitwo ni thibitari ya Mbagathi. Ndumiriri ya aira aria ni borithi na raia na ningi riboti iria irandikithirio igie gikuo giake.
We got statement from other detainees in the cell. So family members were here today with their lawyers, and we have taken them through our processes, including psychosocial support.
We did confirm that there were detainees, not necessarily in this particular cell, but in the cells nearby. And that is how we ended up identifying, through statement taking, the detainees we are going to speak to.
Gukinyiria riu mundu mwe ni atwaritwo igoti-ini guko angi magitanywo kurumirira mutaratara-ini ro ucio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjiri.